To the weather now, and it's been pouring down in some areas, Graham.
Yeah, it has been very wet along the coast, and we'll have a look at that shortly. But it was out through the upper west. We saw severe thunderstorms this afternoon. Borona Downs recorded 44 millimetres over a 1 hour period, with an inch of that falling in 30 minutes. Now, Sydney, on the other hand, has only recorded relatively light falls today. 5 millimetres at Chatswood has been the heaviest, and our tops range from 22 to 24. Those severe thunderstorms that developed in the upper west also saw 23 millimetres fall at Burke. Falls were more widespread along the coast and ranges north from Sydney. There were a couple of totals around the 50 to 65 millimetre range around Port Macquarie and also areas of the far north coast. Damaging winds are still possible along the ranges and the slopes, anywhere south of about Tamworth to Coonabarabran overnight. Now, trough has been triggering the showers and rain areas, even some isolated thunderstorms, but that will weaken overnight. But a moist and unstable onshore wind flow will continue to trigger showers in the coming days. We've got another trough in South Australia, and this will increase the potential of thunderstorms about the far west of the state late in the weekend. Now, the monsoon trough is expected to begin reforming tomorrow off the Northern Territory coast with wetter days for Darwin. Heat continues in Perth after consecutive 40-degree days. Now, rainfall for us will contract to the coastal districts and the far northern border. It'll tend more widespread and heavier about the mid-north coast and also the northern rivers. So in the eastern half, eastern half of the tablelands will also see some locally moderate falls, but the more western areas and most of the Hunter are expecting generally isolated and light totals. Hazardous surf and strong winds will continue along the length of the coast. Partly cloudy and very windy along the tablelands. Isolated light showers possible in the east, cloudy with showers for the coastal districts, and hazardous surf anywhere north of Bermagui with strong winds offshore north of Port Kembla. It's going to be a sunny day over most of the inland, although partly cloudy and a possible thundery shower along the northern border, but we are looking at fresh, strong and gusty winds. Now, hazardous surf along the coast and strong winds are also forecast for the coastal waters. Our lows will range from 16 to 21 and our tops will reach 23 to 25. It'll be a mostly cloudy day, generally dry conditions though. This is apart for just some isolated and light showers. Gusty winds overnight easing through the morning though, Juanita.
Thanks, Graham. Laura Tingle is here now with 7:30.